Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Roblox error ID 17, then this is the right video for you. First, search command prompt on your computer and then click on Run as Administrator. Now, run the command as shown here. After it's done, close command prompt. After that, search and go to Control Panel. From here, go to Network and Internet. Now, click on your Wi-Fi network. Then, click on Properties. Now, click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on Properties. From here, click on Use the following DNS and then type in 1111 and then 1001 as shown here. After it's done, click on OK. Now, close everything up and then restart your computer. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.